Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Here again, I'm with you with a new lesson from the English literature book. It's lesson number 14, A Dream. All of us dream. Some have bad dreams, some dreams are very nice, some dreams are scary. But there are some dreams which we remember throughout our life, while most of the dreams that we see in our sleep are forgotten forever. So, let's read about this new lesson. What's written in the lesson we will see. Okay? A dream. Alive. Borrow. Helmet. Sake. Library. Aching. Space. Special. Landed. Rockets. Spaceman. Shivering. One hot afternoon, Paul was lying on his bed after a heavy lunch. His father was sleeping while his mother was baking cakes. Paul wasn't sleeping. He was reading a book about space rockets which he had borrowed from the school library. What's a library? A library is a place where a large number of books are kept. Paul liked reading about those famous men who flew through space. When I grow up, he said to himself, I'll fly to the moon in my own space rocket. Then he fell asleep. While he was sleeping, he had a dream. He was in a rocket which was flying through space. He wore special clothes which every spaceman has to wear. He wore a helmet over his head. He looked very strange, but he felt happy. I shall be the first boy who has reached the moon, he said to himself and to his friend Monty. Monty was a monkey and a faithful friend of his. Paul went on, You will be the first monkey to reach the moon. We will both become famous. Wow. Through the window, Paul and his monkey could see the earth, which lay far below them. They could see the stars, which were shining brightly. I want to go home, said Monty, whose head was aching. We have nearly reached the moon now, said Paul, whose heart was beating fast. He smiled at his little friend, whom he liked very much. Then he shouted, We are there, we have reached the moon. The rocket had landed on the moon. Paul jumped out of the rocket. The monkey followed him slowly. Monty was shivering from cold and from fear. You stay in the rocket, dear friend, said Paul kindly. I myself shall go and look at this very strange place. The monkey, who was very frightened, was pleased to return to the rocket. Paul walked on. He looked in silent wonder at everything he saw on the moon. In front of Paul were high mountains which were different from the mountains on the earth. All around him were big rocks and stones. Everything was grey in color. There was nothing green. Nothing looked alive. Everything looked dead. This is a dead land, Paul said to himself. Paul met nobody while he was walking on the moon. There weren't any animals or birds. There weren't any trees or flowers. There weren't any rivers or seas. There wasn't any water. The moon is not the same as our earth. It is different from our earth, Paul thought. Our earth is far more beautiful, Paul thought. Yes, that old earth of ours is a much better place than the moon. My friends are there. My school is there. My home is there. Then Paul began thinking of his home where his father was sleeping and his mother was baking cakes. Then, like Monty, Paul said, I want to go home. He felt very lonely and sad and he began to cry. Paul woke up, he rubbed his eyes and looked around. He was happy to find himself in his home. Such a nice story, isn't it? We are living on earth. It's such a beautiful place. So there are green trees, there are flowers, there are birds, there are people all around, there are mountains, there are rivers, there are waterfalls, there are valleys. Such a beautiful place our earth is, while moon is all barren, nothing there, only rocks and mountains, no people, no person, no trees, nothing is alive there. So it is such a dark place in and moon. But you see, we are not looking after earth nicely. We are making our earth as bad as moon. We are cutting trees. We are polluting our earth in so many different ways, isn't it? We are polluting our earth, our home, and after some years I think our earth will become like moon. Nothing will be as beautiful as the earth was, the blue planet as earth is known. We are changing that beautiful planet into a into a barren land like moon. We should not do. We should take care of our home, of our earth. We should try to lessen the pollution around us, all sorts of pollution, the air, the water, the noise pollution, and should not cut the trees for our own purpose. That's all we have learned in this story. You read it yourself, okay? You'll read the words also, learn the spellings, and then after day after tomorrow we will work out the questions. Okay? Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.